Welcome. If you're trying to use your microphone in X app but hitting a wall, you're in the right place. Whether you're recording voice notes, joining a call, or using any audio feature, allowing microphone access is quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps together. No tech jargon, just simple instructions. First, grab your phone and unlock it. Head straight to your Settings app. You know, the one with the gear icon. It's usually on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Apps or App Management. This might vary slightly depending on your device, but don't worry, the process is almost identical. Now, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through or use the search bar at the top to find X app. Tap on it to open its settings. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the permissions option. It's often near the top of the screen. Tap that, and you'll see a list of permissions the app might need, like camera, location, or contacts. Find microphone in the list. If it's already set to allow, you're all set. But if it's blocked or set to deny, tap on it and change the setting to allow. That's it. The app now has permission to use your microphone. Pro tip: if you're still having trouble, double-check that your phone's operating system is up to date. Sometimes outdated software can cause hiccups. And remember, you can always revoke this permission later if you change your mind. Just follow these same steps and toggle it off. That's all there is to it. You're ready to chat, record, or stream without a hitch. Thanks for tuning in, and if this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up. For more quick tech tips, hit that subscribe button. Catch you in the next one.